Hello, my name is Karen Smith. I'm the owner, electrician and director of Bright Spark Electrical Services, your local electricians. Have you had a tripping issue with your consumer unit fuse board? Is it still continuing to trip? I visited a customer at the weekend. They're home alone, apart from their two kids, who were fairly well behaved, but I had to find out the problem. After an hour or so, we found the problem. Take a look at this video and see how we found the issues and what the resultant problem was caused by. The customers replied, "You would never have believed it." Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This helps us to build the channel and explain more about electrical items which we install and safety aspects. Thank you.